AI is getting smarter every day, but there are skills even the most advanced AI can't replace that will future-proof career. These aren't just soft skills. These are the abilities that make you irreplaceable in the AI era. Let's dive in. Number 1. Curiosity. AI as people ask better questions and discover new possibilities.
Stay curious. Explore topics outside your job. That spark of wonder is what leads to real breakthroughs.
Collision imminent.
Companies desperately need people who never stop learning. Curiosity keeps you ahead of AI. Number 2, creativity. AI can remix existing work, but true creativity connects unrelated ideas in completely new ways. Whether you're designing, problem-solving, or storytelling, originality can't be automated.
Practice combining ideas from different fields. That's where magic happens.
Number 3, empathy. AI can mimic sympathy, but it can't genuinely feel or understand human emotions. I see you're stressed. Let's talk.
Thanks. I appreciate you noticing.
Of course, we're in this together.
That means a lot. Thank you.
In leadership and customer service, empathy is irreplaceable.
I'm so glad you're happy. Yes, thank 5. Your satisfaction is important.
No empathy at all. Number 4, courage. AI avoids risk with perfect calculations, but only humans take bold leaps when it matters. Courage turns ideas into action and helps you stand out during uncertainty. Say yes to scary opportunities. That's how careers level up. Number 5, communication and leadership. AI can write texts, but it can't inspire, negotiate, or build real relationships. Communication is essential for conveying real connections. Great leaders read emotions, motivate teams, and create vision.
Yes! Let's do it!
Master storytelling and active listening, skills AI simply can't replicate. Master storytelling and active listening, skills AI simply can't replicate. Start developing one skill this week. The future belongs to humans who stay deeply human. Which skill will you focus on first? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future-proof career tips.